So, hello and welcome everyone to our Mecanzo video series. Today we are going to talk about the Package Mover Bot. The Package Mover Bot is a robotic device designed for automated cleaning and maintenance tasks. Equipped with sensors and brushes, it efficiently navigates and cleans various surfaces, reducing the need for manual intervention, right? So, what is this all about? We are going to design a robot through our mechanical designing skills, and we are going to learn about it. So we are going to do it in three steps, and that is we are going to make the model, we are going to perform the activity, and study about the conclusion. So this is the package mover bot, and it could be a robotic system designed to transport of moved packages from one location to another, right? So this is how a model looks like, and all we have to do is that we have to use a base plate. The basic for every robotic, almost all robotic cars or mechanical designs is that you have to use a medium plate at the back. Okay, that is going to be your base, and now you have to attach two small C bars to it. Now, as we have attached two small C bars on each side of the medium plate, fasten them C bars with the bolts. You are going to require four 0.5 nuts and bolts, right? Now, you just connected these in the previous slide, as we saw, you just connected the C bars. So in the middle, what you have to do is you have to take two tiny L and fasten them with the um medium plate as well, right? And now what you have to do is you have to use a caster strip and attach this caster strip to the two tiny L's that you just connected to the medium plate using two 0.5 nut and bolts. Now, below the caster strip, you have to add the caster wheel. As you can see in your kit, you must have a caster wheel, and you will tighten this up with the help of nut and bolts. Now, finally, you would have to attach two motors, and as we have done in the previous videos as well, what you have to do is take two motors, remove their screws, now push them against the C bars, and before pushing them through the C bar holes, you have to attach two green shafts, right? And then use the screws to tighten the motors with the C bars. Now attach the two wheels that will help our robot move, and use an axle lock uh, to stop your wheels from falling apart or moving or shaking. Okay. The next step is that you have to attach two small bars in front of your to a small C bar. You can say a shaft or a small C bar, a small bar or a shaft. Okay, so you have to tighten them with the nuts and bolts, and you have to use two tiny L's at the end of it. So it's totally up to you. See, mechanical designs vary from person to person. Now what you have to do is attach two tiny L's to the shaft that you just attached in front of the two small C bars, and with the help of those two tiny L's you have to connect a medium plate and use a nut and bolt on each side to fasten the plate up, right? And finally we have our two tiny L's at the end, which are going to be fastened to the medium plate using two nuts and bolts. And with that nuts and bolts, with the tiny L that we just attached, what you have to do is you have to attach a big plate. Okay, so with the help of those two tiny L's, you have to connect a big plate and fasten that big plate with nut and bolts. This is how we make a model, and this is a small scenario for you. Try to create a serve bot. Your task is to create a model of serving bot with Mecanzo kit. I'm sure you're very skillful, and you must have learned a lot during this Mecanzo series. So I think you would be able to make something creative and make us all proud, right? So in conclusion, what I would like to say is that the CarBot is an autonomous robotic vehicle equipped with advanced sensors and navigation system for safe and efficient transport, right? So this is what you can do with this, and I hope you understood each and every step that we just studied. Okay, so you can go through them again, you can pause the video, you can see them again as well. So this is how a car mover bot works. Okay, so learn something new every day, but just keep moving forward. And thank you everyone. Thank you for watching.